Alright, hey, what's up, Homo? I'm gonna show you something real quick. It's gonna help you remember some stuff. It's believe it or not, it's much easier to understand what's going on, because if you just memorize how to do it, then you might forget it. Or if there's like a system to something that helps you remember, you'll always remember it. Well, let me show you some stuff real quick. So when you're doing vectoring, let's see if I can get the camera angle here correctly. One of the first things you need to know is that when you're doing let's see if I can see here, when you're dealing with delta, I can't hold a camera and draw at the same time, but you know, when you look at your vector sheets, there's like a 0 degrees and it goes to 30. The increments are 30s. So from here to here it's 30 degrees. From there to there it's another 30, and then it goes on to 90, and it keeps going all the way around until you get to 360 degrees. But when you're doing delta, you start, so this is the middle, the center of the circle, right? So you always start your delta at 0. So the phases are 120 degrees apart. So your A phase starts right there, and it goes to B phase, which is at 120. Your next phase is at 120 plus another 120, and I'll show you why that is later. But if you add 120 to 120, that's 240. So your next phase, which is C phase, is down here, which is 120 degrees. So that's how you draw a delta. Now, when you do your vectoring, you'll notice there's an outer circle and then there's an inner circle. So your inner circle's in here somewhere, and they have these dots, right? So these dots line up. Like this is the 0, and this right here is a 30, this right here is a 60. They all line up. So your outer circle, which is your bigger circle, represents when you're drawing your deltas or y's. When you draw these, the bigger triangles or the bigger y's are your primary, and all the small triangles and small y's that you draw inside the smaller circle are for your secondaries. So going back to explaining where this comes from. So you have a sine wave that's actually half a circle and then bottom circle, and then it continues. So this is from here to here, that's actually one cycle, right?